Okay, so this, go back on here. Hello, my name is Eric Grigori. See the green stuff around my mouth? From EMG Robotics. See the green stuff around my mouth, the green dots? So this is a mouth tracking robot. So let's go around. Hopefully you can see the screen there. So as I talk and move my mouth,
already a legend. What do I do for the second act? Simply a little. Last week I even took the time home my own flowers form just to feel something.
Wait. It's Cliff Lester, right? Who's Cliff Lester?
Hello, my name is FaceBot. Hello, my name is FaceBot. Hello, my name is FaceBot. Well, I hope that came out.